Alright, so we're doing fried chicken today. I seasoned the chicken in the previous video, so go watch that video. This is the thing that we're cooking the chicken in. I'm gonna just do 4 pieces right now. I have the grease on. I have the rest of the tomatoes and neck bones going. And then the rice is done here. Everything is done other than the chicken. We're just waiting for the grease to get hot. As soon as the grease gets hot, then we're going to go ahead and put it in there. But what you want to do is you want to season it how you want to season it. Put the batter on it, however you want to use the batter. If you want to make your own batter or whatever, put it in here. You can also do buttermilk, but I didn't do that. Put it in here, get it good and coated, and then set it aside so the stuff can dry. Want it so that way it don't fall off when you fry it. So yeah, if the grease is getting hot, it's not where I want it to be yet, so we're going to continue to get hot. This is good and done. The rice is still hot. I like to cook everything up where it's going to be hot at the same time, so the chicken will be the last thing to do. I'm just letting this stuff sit here until it's time to put it in here. Once you can always just cover it a little bit more. Make sure it does have yeah, it's getting hot. It's just not hot yet. So I want it to be. Yeah, I have to. We're also moving, guys, so just fuse everything in the house. We are moving and getting everything together. It's getting there, it's just not there just yet. You want it to be hot so that when you put the chicken in it starts cooking. And the chicken, you don't want to have the chicken sitting in the grease basically. So it's getting there, it's not there yet. So now guys, it is good and boiling and ready. So we'll just put the chicken in there. Take out the excess stuff. Put the chicken in there. Take out the excess. Put it in there. And got one more left. Take out the excess. And go ahead and put it in there. And we'll get this thing right here. And the chicken is boiling. But what you want to do, you want it to fry. So it's frying. And you basically take the excess stuff right here and drop it up in here. Close that up. When I fry chicken, I like to fry everything fresh. I gotta turn it, so give me a second. So they're still frying and cooking right now. So guys, the chicken is still cooking. A little bit of the skin did fall off, but it's okay. I'm not gonna really worry about it too much or whatever. I'm gonna put them in here once they're done. So. I'm going to put them over one more time before I take them out. Turn it off. So what I'm actually doing, I'm about to go ahead and fix the plate first. And then I will take it out. We have to do it long way, I'm sorry. We can do it long way. This one? Mm-hmm. So now the chicken is going to come out. The chicken is off and it's coming out.